Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to add a voice record. Start inside your open Capcut project and pick the exact timeline position where voice belongs. Once done, tap the microphone icon to enter record mode, choose your input device, and do a loudness test to avoid clipping. Make sure to lower background tracks or enable a reference track so your delivery matches the edit. Record a short test line and listen back. This saves time and prevents redoing long sections later. Record in short segments rather than one long take. This gives you precise control when trimming. Once you record, select the voice clip, trim excess, and apply short fades to remove clicks. Make volume adjustments so spoken words sit clearly over music or effects. Aim for consistent peaks without clipping. If the environment added hiss or hum, apply noise reduction and a light EQ boost around speech frequencies to improve intelligibility without making it sound processed. To export the voice, go to Share and choose Export Audio Only if you want a separate file, or export the whole project to include the track. Select WAV for highest quality or a high bitrate MP3 and match the sample rate to your project to avoid sync issues. If export stalls or the audio is missing, try closing Capcut and reopening, clear the app cache, or export in smaller segments and stitch them together. That usually bypasses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.